Hi everyone, and welcome back to Flow Migration Law. I'm Jay, your principal migration lawyer. Today we're tackling a difficult topic, but a very important one. There are few things more than devastating than receiving a refusal on your partner visa. After all that time and energy you've invested, it can feel like the ground has fallen out from under you. But I want you to hear this clearly. A visa refusal is not the end of the road. It may feel overwhelming, but you have options. Let's focus on what matters now, your next steps. Your very first step is to carefully review the refusal letter and, most importantly, the detailed decision record from the department. You need to become an expert on why they made this decision. Common reasons can include weak relationship evidence, failing to meet health or character requirements, or complex issues like Schedule 3. Read the decision letter carefully, highlight anything you don't understand, and get a clear picture of the specific refusal grounds. Without this, you can't plan your next move. Step 2 is urgent. Know your deadline. Your refusal letter will clearly state your review rights and the strict time limit you have to act. Depending on your situation and the reasons for the refusal, generally speaking, the time limit is 28 days in most cases, but this can also be as short as 9 days or up to 70 days in some cases. As soon as you receive the refusal letter, find this date and mark it in your calendar. Time's not on your side, and if you miss this window to appeal, you may lose the opportunity forever. Now for the big strategic decision. Should you appeal the refusal or submit a completely new application? Now there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Appealing to the Administrative Review Tribunal or ART might make sense if you believe that important evidence wasn't properly considered and a more favorable outcome on your visa application should have been afforded. For many onshore applications, an appeal also lets you stay in Australia on a bridging visa while you wait. But that wait can be long, often up to 24 months or even more. On the other hand, reapplying might be better in some very specific situations considering the location and other personal circumstances of the applicant. But it also means starting from scratch and paying the full visa fee again. This decision is complex and highly depends on your individual circumstances, and it is where getting professional advice is necessary. Step 4 is to think strategically about your future. A refusal affects more than just one application. You need to consider your current visa status. Will you have work rights during an appeal? Can you remain in Australia? If not, how will a period of separation affect your relationship and your evidence? It's easy to act quickly out of panic, but this is a time to step back and think about the long-term pathway that gives you the best chance of success. And that brings up to step 5. Dealing with a visa refusal adds a significant layer of legal complexity. The procedural steps are strict, the arguments are legal in nature, and the stakes are incredibly high. This is a critical point where professional guidance can help you avoid making another mistake. An experienced migration lawyer can interpret the refusal decision, help you weigh the pros and cons of appealing versus reapplying, and build the strongest possible case for you going forward. Yes, a refusal hurts, but it is not the end of the road. Take a breath, understand what went wrong, know your deadlines, and explore your options carefully. You have come this far, and you don't have to face this next critical part of your journey alone. If you've had an Australian partner visa refused and you're not sure what to do next, we're here to help. At Flow Migration Law, we offer practical advice tailored to your situation, and together we can work out the best way forward. You can get in touch with us via the link in the description. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential immigration tips. Thank you for watching.